with Mai. How you doing?
Good. I'm ready.
Yeah. What are you ready? What are you ready for?
I'm ready to jump.
Nice. Going skydiving 10,000 feet over the beach.
Yes.
Nice, nice. And you want to jump barefoot?
No, not
No,
today.
not today. All right. I don't know. I'll ask you one more time. It's fun. So, who are these friends you got here with you?
This is America.
Hello. I'm very scared. Hey, I'm Todd.
Nice. And whose idea was this? Out of you three?
This is Tom's birthday.
Awesome. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
You're sending your friend here first. Make sure it's safe, right?
Yes, definitely.
All right.
My friends are for.
Yes. Touch the waters first. So, you ready to have some fun?
Yes. Let's go.
Yeah.
Wish me luck, everybody.
All right.
Friends and family,
do it.
I love you.
You're next. Happy birthday.
Thank
Hey, guys,
you.
you're next. See you up there.
All right.
Yeah, get the group hug.
This is scary.
All right, Ma, you can drop those goggles down now. Before you run off, what'd you think about that?
Oh, that was so great.
Awesome
Oh
skydive,
my
you
God.
rocked it. Good job, good job. So, thanks,
Oh my God.
thanks for coming out to Skydive Surfcity.
I can't believe I
Yeah.
finally get to do it. That
Nice.
is just so amazing.
Welcome back.
She made it.
Oh my God.
to see you.
You were scared.
All right, everybody.
We're so cute. Look at this noise.
Give me one more big
Okay,
smile for the
we
camera.
tried.